Jiangsu Basin Intelligent Technology Co., Ltd. is a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to the research, production, and sales of functional 3D digital products for foot and spinal health, rooted in biomechanics and ergonomics. The company focuses on preventing and addressing musculoskeletal injuries during human movement by integrating high-performance materials with advanced 3D printing technologies. Our team consists of experts with PhD degrees in polymer materials science and sports rehabilitation. We have filed 65 intellectual property rights, including 13 invention patents, 17 utility models, 10 design patents, 9 software copyrights, 13 trademarks, and 3 international patents. All products are certified under ISO 9001 CE and RoHS standards. BASINGLEAD has established a 4,500 square meters 3D measurement and computing smart manufacturing facility focused on 3D digital production for sports health, equipped with over 300 production units. Recognized as one of China's largest digital foot spine 3D printing factories, we have been awarded titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, National Technology-Based SME, Jiangsu Cloud Star Enterprise, and Nanjing Science Popularization Demonstration Base. To date, digital foot spine 3D printing factories, institutions across China and are exported to more than 20 countries and regions worldwide, earning excellent customer feedback and a strong reputation in the industry.